Hello, hi, this is Dinesh here. You see in the oscilloscope, what I am doing it, I am generating the PWM signal, pulse width modulation signals. So how to generate it? I'll show you in the simple way. I am taking the user input. User input want the duty cycles more, he can set more. If he wants less, he can set less. Now I'll show you how to do it. You see, this is the Arduino code. Arduino code I've written it. I'm taking the inter duty cycle 0 to 25. So, and this duty cycle, whatever you enter it, according to that, PWM signal will generate. Analog byte LED pin has to generate D1, and the duty cycle depending on your choice. Now I'll show you. This is the node MCU. I have taken the output from the D1 pin, and another is the ground. This D1 and ground is coming here. Then through this cable, it is going to the channel number 2. Channel 1 number 1 I am not using it. This channel number 2 is going the output, where I can see this type of the pulses coming. So you see that how it works actually. First I will try to demonstrate you. See, this is the T on time and the T off time. This is I have taken, this is the 50%. You see, this is the 50% because uptime on, uptime is off. How it is calculated? Duty cycle T on plus T off into hundreds. If both are same, T on and T off, it will become 50%. So here I have used the D1 pin, and the duty cycle I am choosing between 0 to 255. You see that we have 8 bit, so 2 to the power 8 is the 256. So 255 is the 100%. If I am selecting the duty cycle 255, it is 100%. It will be on. There will be no off. It will be continuously. It will be on. Now you see that I have written analog right 3 pin number. I have written actually D1 here, and this is the 127. 127 means this is half of 255. 255 half, that is a 127. So it generates the PWM signal 50% duty cycles. Okay, let us try first to generate the PWM signal for 127. I'll go to the Arduino code. Okay, and this code is running. This code is running, and it keeps on asking me to enter the duty cycles. Now I'll change it to, suppose I change it to 64. 64 is what happens. It is 1/4 of 255. So this will generate the 25% on and 75% it will be off. So I am just entering it. Now it has gone to here. Now we'll see it. You can see it. This is the pulse is generated. I am stopping it. Okay. Now I'll measure the time. I'll show you how it is at 25% it is there or not. What I'll do, I'll move the cursor to, okay. I'm moving the cursor to, and I'm selecting the cursor 1. I'm moving the cursor 1. I'm measuring the time. You see, it is there. It is showing 1.44 seconds. Delta T is 1.44 seconds. Now what to do? I'll measure the full cycle time. So what I'll do? I'll choose the cursor 2. I'll move this one. So this is the. So now I'll read how much it is there. This is a 5.48 seconds. So whatever we are getting earlier, it is a 1 by 4th of it. It means it is generating the 25% duty cycles. Now what I'll do, I'll choose another one. Very simple. I'll choose 127. It should generate the 50% cycle. 127. I entered it. Now we'll run it. Now it should come half on time and half off time. That is a 50% duty cycle. So you can see exactly it is coming on time and off time is almost equal. That is the 50% duty cycles. So depending on that, what you want to choose it, what you wanted to choose it, you can enter it and it will come. Suppose I'll put 200. 200 means on time will be for more times. We'll see it here how it looks. You see that on time it has increased and off time has reduced. This is the what the duty cycles. If on time, you can vary the on and off time, and if you use RC filter, it will generate the analog voltage. Analog voltage will reduce. If duty cycle is more, analog voltage will increase. If duty cycle is less, analog voltage will reduce. We have to use the RC filter after this outputs. This way we can vary the analog inputs. Analog output voltage, whatever is coming, we can vary after the RC filters. And we can control the intensity of the bulb. You have seen that bulbs give the more intensity, less intensity. We can use it as a dimmer. Dimmer we can use in the bulbs lighting. Okay, that's all we want to make you to understand what is the PWM. Here, hi. So, thanks. This is Dinesh here. Bye.